The wonderful story I wanted to tell you was how I met Joan. And we met at the Jewish Community of Amherst in 1991. And we were both there because there was a social. And when Joan was growing up, her parents always wanted her to go to the temple social so she could meet a nice boy, a nice Jewish boy. And so when she met me, we had been at a lesbian and gay social at the synagogue in Amherst. And she called her parents and she said, guess what? I went to the social finally and I met someone, but she's a girl. So they were, it was great. And they were very excited. And they were really welcoming and really loving to me right off the bat. But it was great that we met in a synagogue. It made us both really kind of cheer. It was pretty exciting.